last ones have arrived, and Nexus is their last hope. Across avid lands, danger stalks every step. Wild Pikamoons roam free. Some flee, others stand and fight. Harness your strength, defeat them, tame them, capture them. But you're not the only hunter out here.
Nakita nyo yung gameplay guys, grabe ang ganda, nakakaiyak. Talagang pinag-isipan tong game na to.
Ready to strike.
Wow! Grabing gameplay yan oh. Ganda.
From scorched deserts to the edge of burning cliffs, dive into territory unknown. The corruption is spreading faster than ever. You might survive this alone, or forge alliances and strike together.
Pikamoon! Guys, hindi ito basta-basta na crypto game. Ito ang Pikamoon. Ilang beses na natin nagawan to ng video at ngayon buhay pa rin sila. 2 taon nang binubuo at ngayon handa nang makipagkompetensya mismo sa Fortnite at PUBG sa Web3 world. Welcome nga pala sa future ng GameFi. So sa ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-hype at solid na Web3 gaming projects ngayon. Ito ang Pikamoon. Sobrang dami ko nang nakita na play to earn games pero ito talaga yung ibang level. Basically, Pikamoon ay isang play to earn game na RPG. Pero magkakaroon din sila ng Battle Royale. Yung lore ng game ay nangyari sa World of Treva. Ikaw dito ang magiging tamer, mangongolekta, magte-train at makikipaglaban sa mga elemental creatures. Para siyang PAL world pero Web3. Open world exploration ito, may PvP battles, NFT ownership at may native token na Pika. Pero ang nakakabaliw, hindi lang mini demo ang una nilang nirelease. By Q4 2026, maglalabas sila ng full AAA game na Battle Royale built to compete with Fortnite and PUBG. Day 1 pa lang yan. At hindi ito gawa ng mga anonymous devs na walang mukha sa Telegram. Yung Pikamoon has a fully doxed team. 35 plus developers, full-time at makikita mo mismo sa website nila. Ginagamit nila ang Unity 6. Yun yung same tool na ginagamit ng mga AAA studios. Kung titignan mo quality-wise, talo nila yung 99% ng crypto games sa market. Most GameFi projects, puro trailer lang at wala talagang masyadong laro. Pero ang Pikamoon may infrastructure, may dev team at may 2 taon ng progress. Isa pa sa nakakabilib, yung Pikamoon Devs headquarter ay nasa Islamabad, Pakistan at sila ang first na AAA GameFi studio sa bansa na yon sa Pakistan at ang strategy nila ay mag-hire ng top tier devs sa mga mas murang cost pero world class yung quality. Pakistan has a massive gaming and streaming community. Kaya pag nag-launch ito, siguradong sasabog ang downloads mula sa region na yon. Organic growth to guys ha. Solid player base at worldwide exposure agad. Ngayon dito napapasok ang pinaka-exciting na part. Yung Pikamoon is officially launching on Solana at supported mismo ng Solana Gaming at ng Solana Foundation. Alam naman natin na yung Solana is built for speed and thousands of transactions per second. Near zero fees meaning smooth gameplay, instant rewards at walang lag. Hindi nyo na kailangan gumamit ng exit lag dito sa game na to. So meron siyang low fees. Syempre more fun yan kapag maliit yung gas fees natin. Unlike other chains na sobrang taas ng mga gas fees, dito sa Solana mura lahat. Perfect ito sa mga microtransactions natin, in-game trades and NFTs. Ang maganda pa dahil supported mismo ng Solana ecosystem, may access na si Pikamun sa liquidity, partnerships at marketing push. Hindi lang basta-bastang token sa Solana, part siya ng buong ecosystem. And yung maganda dito, nag-reduce sila ng supply ng token nila to 44 billion tokens. So mas efficient system ito, may scarcity plus huge demand. So ibig sabihin, not a financial advice guys, para sa akin lang, ito ay bullish. So kung gusto mong sumabay sa Solana launch, ito lang ang gagawin mo. Punta ka sa pikamun.io o kaya direkta sa MEXC. Meron dong pair na Pika USDT or Meteora merong pair doon na Pika Sol. So doon nyo lang muna siya pwedeng bilihin. At yung official launch date is October 12. At ito talaga yung nagpapalakas sa Pikamun, yung community nila. Yung Pikamun, meron na siyang 14,000 active members sa Telegram. May daily updates din ito sa Twitter, sa Discord, sa lahat. Yung maganda dito, hindi lang sila investors, mga tunay talaga silang believers ng project. Parang mga kulto na yung community nito. Alam mo yung hindi typical na GameFi hype na biglang mawawala. Solid na long-term supporters talaga. Ilang beses ko nang nagawan ng video ito and nagtataka ako buhay pa rin siya dahil dito sa community na to. So paano magiging successful itong Pikamun? Ito yung vision and future growth nila. Number 1 is triple game ito na magdadrop ngayong 2026. Yung token niya is undervalued with massive potential para sa akin ha. And pangatlo, yung Solana Gaming Partnership. And panghuli, strong community backbone. Dahil nga dun sa cult-like na community nila. So para sa akin, kung magawa nila ito ng tama, Pikamun could be the next big name sa buong GameFi industry. From concept to execution, everything lined up guys. Pulido talaga, planchado. So ayan mga idol, the game is coming, the token is live, and the hype is real. Hindi ito financial advice, pero personally, Pikamun is one of the best exciting GameFi projects I've seen in years. Check the links below guys, explore the site and decide for yourself. At syempre, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kung tingin mo, kaya bang makipagsabayan ng Pikamun sa Fortnite at PUBG? Yan ang titignan natin kapag nag-launch na sa 2026 ang Pikamun. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat, bye bye!
I think we're in a strong position. Okay, I truly believe the bottom is in for Pikamun. Who is left to sell? Who hasn't? If you've had enough, you're out by now. But if you're still here, there's something in the back of your mind that goes, you know what? There's something about this team. There's something about this content. There's something about this consistency, the idea, the brand, the meme coin Spark that I like, and you're still here. You're still listening. I can't see us going any lower. I only see upside potential. And, you know, I'm the biggest bag holder of Pikamun out of anyone, and I'm not going anywhere, and I'm not selling anything. So I can only speak for myself, and I'm super bullish with this new bridge to this new chain and what that's going to do for our ecosystem.